Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a pretty exciting video. This is kindly sponsored by Gona. This is a new to me brand. This is Gona jewelry all the way from Paris. So they have very exquisite, beautiful jewelry pieces and I'm so excited to show you the ones I picked out. So this is also going to be kind of an unboxing, first impressions, because I haven't seen the items. So yeah, this video is kindly sponsored by Gona, so I do want to thank them for allowing me to share the beautiful jewelry pieces. If you are new, welcome. I film all kinds of bougie on a budget, pink and girly videos, so if that's something you're into, make sure to subscribe and hit your notification bell. And if you're a returning girly, I appreciate you so much for being here. So without further ado, let's show you the beautiful jewelry pieces. Alright, so right here it says Gona. Comes in a cute little box. So here we go. I'll show you how it looks. It's so beautiful, packaged very nicely. It says thank you for choosing us, Gona. And it has some really cute tissue paper. Girl, this gives me luxury vibes to the maximum and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I'll definitely include all the links and coupon codes in the description box so it's easy for you to view. I don't want to ruin their beautiful packaging. Okay, let me show you. I feel like I'm in the forest or something with all of the greenery. Very pretty, very eye-catching. And let's take a peek. Alright, so here's the box. Pretty, high quality. And you guys, the prices for these are not, crazy expensive. They are definitely on the more affordable end. Oh my god. Check this out. Oh, I need to do a close-up of this. So I wanted like a princessy look for my little bracelet. These are charm bracelets, so I'll definitely do close-ups because there's like a little perfume bottle, a heart. There's a bunch with little hearts because I'm obsessed, girl. Oh my goodness. They're definitely like a higher quality jewelry piece, but they're not gonna cost an arm and a leg. They're still pretty much on the affordable end. If you just want a higher quality item but you still want affordability, I feel like you would be into this. So we have another one and look at the little bags, girl. Let me show you the little bags because I can't even contain my excitement right now. So these are the little bags. This would be such a beautiful gift for somebody. Like, this feels luxurious and we are all about those vibes around this channel. You guys know the drill. Gona jewelry. Yes, ma'am. Let me show you this one. Oh my goodness. Wow. I love all the little charms. It just gives me expensive vibes. It really does. So girl, I have to show you these up close because they're so pretty. This one right here has a cute little teddy bear wearing a crown, a little love square, a ton of hearts because that's what I'm into. I really like the princessy look, so I hope you guys like my choices. They obviously have so many other options and choices, color selections. I mean, they have so much on their website, but these are kind of the ones that I chose to share with you in this video, but they're so pretty. Okay, so those were the little bracelets that I chose. I hope you guys liked my choices. I found the cutest beads for my bracelets. It was very time consuming, so I hope that you liked all of the ones that I chose for my bracelets. They do have different sizes for the bracelets depending on, if you have a tiny wrist or a bigger wrist. I got the smallest size available and it's still a little bit big for me, but I am a huge fan of little charm bracelets, so I'm very excited I think they're stunning, beautiful. I am literally not disappointed at all. The quality on these is on point. If you're looking for some charm bracelets, definitely take a look. I'll do my best to link everything below so it's easy for you to find. They have two options for the charms. They have, you know, the dangly charms that look like this, and then they have some beaded ones that look like this. So they're super beautiful and very, very high quality for the price point. I think they're priced very well for the quality. They definitely feel substantial. You guys know the drill when it comes to these charms. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and unboxing my charm bracelets with me. Princessy vibes. I hope you enjoyed my selections, my choices, and yeah, just keep coming back. I'll have more videos. I do want to thank Gona for sponsoring today's video and allowing me to share these gorgeous little gems. Look how pretty. Pretty girl, they're so pretty. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.